So this video is to help give you ideas of where you can place your Amazon Associates links, where you can place your Amazon influencer storefront links so that you can generate more views, more traffic, and ideally make more Amazon affiliate commissions. Now, it does help, sometimes to just look at what other people are doing to start brainstorming ideas for yourself. So I'm just going to share with you some places that I do put these links, my Amazon affiliate links, so that you can see how I drive traffic, how I make sales with Amazon affiliate program, Amazon influencer program. And you can go ahead and you can take some of these ideas and do them for yourself. Okay. So as an Amazon influencer, if you are familiar with the program, you actually don't need to drive traffic to your links to make Amazon affiliate money, which is one of the biggest reasons why I like to push people to apply to this program, right? So if you just want to make more money with the Amazon influencer program, simply go ahead and review more videos and post them on Amazon. So for example, I hadn't posted videos on Amazon in a few months. Now, primarily it's because I affiliate for a lot of different software companies, a lot of different recurring affiliate programs, a lot of different courses, a lot of different apps. But I love the Amazon program, Amazon influencer program, because over the last 2 years, even though I haven't been uploading brand new videos, I've still been getting a paycheck every single month. Okay. So let me tell you what happened this week, because this reminded me why I need to do more Amazon review videos. So this was this one here about this Extreme Flex hose. This was the last video that I had recorded, and this was over the summer, right? This past week, I went ahead and I recorded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 videos. 2 of them I just posted yesterday, right? 6 videos. And over the last couple days, the commissions started to roll in from these videos. Now, I'm not pushing any traffic to these videos, I am now, but these, I don't even need to push any traffic. So this water drop water filter, for example, just made a sale yesterday or the day before. This is a $230 product, right? Or $250 product. That ended up being a little bit over a $9 commission, right? There was another item that I just sold also that was a light set. It was a $299 item, I believe. That was a $12 commission. And so if you do more Amazon review videos, you have a higher chance now of showing up on the Amazon product detail page. You can see here, my video is right here. So if someone watches this video as they're looking at this product and then they go ahead and make a purchase, I earn an Amazon affiliate commission. Okay. So one way to, just make more money, not do anything extra, is to just go ahead and do more review videos. Okay. Now, once you do the review videos, don't just stop there. Okay. You already went through the effort of creating these videos. This is what I recommend you do. And I'll give you a lot of different reasons why you want to do this. Okay. I have a second YouTube channel where I post my Amazon review videos. Now, I don't look at this channel too often, but there are so many great things that happens with this channel. Now, as you can see here, I posted these videos here. Here's what happens when someone is looking for a product, a review on a product. So for example, this freestanding punching bag that I just uploaded 6 days ago. They are searching for the keyword freestanding punching bag because they have an intent to purchase, right? So these are not just people who are aimlessly on YouTube just looking at videos to pass the time and entertain themselves. These are actually people looking to purchase, okay? So the more places that you can put your review videos, the better. Okay, because now you have a higher chance of making an actual sale. Now, here's another reason why you want to go ahead and place your Amazon review videos on a separate YouTube channel. This video here, for example, okay, very basic. This is I actually got these products for free with a cashback app that I use. How do I turn this off? Oh, there we go. This video here, I posted it, got a little bit over 11,000 views in the last 6 months. The minute I posted it, it started showing up on the first page of Google. Now, if you know the implications of what that means, when you show up on the first page of Google, essentially you're getting a lot of eyeballs to your products. Now, when you have your Amazon affiliate links in the description of your YouTube video, you have now a higher opportunity of making a sale. You're getting a lot of eyeballs to your video. It's showing up on the first page of Google because it's on YouTube, and YouTube is a search engine, so is Google. And they're both basically the same company. But now you have better chances of making more money, okay? Another reason why you want to post your videos on YouTube, take a look at this. Get cash back when shopping online. You can place other affiliate links in your YouTube descriptions, and that's exactly what I do. So if people are looking to buy a product and they're buying it online, hey, why not download the Rakuten browser extension so that you can find the best price online, right? So if someone then goes ahead and downloads the Rakuten browser extension and they start using it, I earn a $30 commission on that person. So you get more chances of making more money with other affiliate products because you placed your review video on a YouTube channel where you can post additional affiliate links. Okay. So there's a lot of good reasons why you want to have the second YouTube channel, another YouTube channel to place your review videos, no extra effort on your part. That's another place where I put my Amazon affiliate links, my Amazon affiliate store. Another thing that I do, I am on Pinterest. I love Pinterest. Pinterest is a place where people go to shop. And there are people that are making a considerable amount of money on Pinterest. Now, if you look at some of the stats, it does show that a lot of the households do over $75,000 or $100,000, yearly or whatever it might be. But Pinterest is a place where people go to shop. What I like to do is I like to search on Pinterest for what people are looking for. Now, there are ways to find keywords on Pinterest that people are actually putting in to try to find on Pinterest. I'll post a blog link underneath this video where I show you a little bit about how I do that search. I think I have a video or a blog link. Either way, it'll be underneath this video. So what I do is I go ahead, I create a blog post such as the one I did here, because I know people are looking for the best Starbucks gift basket ideas, especially around the holidays, right? So this is another keyword term that has search intent. Search intent meaning people have the intent of purchasing. So if you can show up in front of them, you can potentially make an affiliate sale with your Amazon link. So this is what I like to do here with some of these things. If I'm putting a list together of different basket ideas and different things you can throw in the basket, I like to also go ahead and do an idea list in my Amazon influencer storefront. So as you can see here, I have a link here on my blog post. See my best Amazon Starbucks gift basket items here. They click on it and it takes them to my Amazon influencer storefront where they have all of these Starbucks kind of influenced products that they can put inside of a gift basket. Now imagine someone searching for this and you have everything in one place for them. What can they do? They go to this list and they say, okay, I want this, put this in my basket, put this in my Amazon basket, put this in my Amazon basket. So now you can increase your order value and make more Amazon affiliate commissions. Okay. So blogging on Pinterest and, placing your Amazon affiliate links within these blogs and your Amazon storefront links, it's another great way to drive sales to your Amazon offers. Okay. So I do a lot of blogging, and so a lot of my blogs, my blog posts are on Pinterest, and it is very targeted traffic that I get on Pinterest. Highly recommend that you get on Pinterest as well. Okay, so these are just a few different places where I place my Amazon affiliate links. It's just to help you get ideas of what to do. And again, if you're not in the Amazon Influencer Program, or if you're brand new, you don't know where to get started with the Amazon Influencer Program, there is a link underneath this video where I show you exactly how to get into the program, or how to get into the program, how to start, reviewing products and all that stuff. There's a link underneath this video, so definitely check that out. Highly recommend that you sign up for this program. But there you go, guys, just to give you a little bit of inspiration of what you can do with your Amazon affiliate link, your Amazon storefront link. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.